I've been waiting all year to chase the deer. Now the season has come to go. I've been scouting a trail on a white oak ridge. Somehow I just know if I climb a tree, deer will come by me. That moment of truth will arrive. Most people don't understand me. I'm a bow hunter, do or die. I love the sticks, I love the strings, I love to shoot an arrow away. I love the sights, the smells, and the sounds in the outdoors where I play. I'm tradition, I am history. I love to watch the feathered shafts fly. I don't hunt to live, I live to hunt. I'm a bow hunter, do or die. Where you'll find me's no mystery, in some secluded place. I'll be the one in camouflage with paint all over my face. I'll be sitting there quietly listening to some old coyotes cry. Where I belong, part of nature's song, a bow hunter, do or die. I love the sticks, I love the strings, I love to shoot an arrow away. I love the sights, the smells, and the sounds in the outdoors where I play. I'm tradition, I am history. I love to watch the feathered shafts fly. I don't hunt to live, I live to hunt. I'm a bow hunter, do or die. I love the sticks, I love the strings, I love to shoot an arrow away. I love the sights, the smells, and the sounds of the outdoors where I play. I'm tradition, I am history. I love to watch the feathered shafts fly. I don't hunt to live, I live to hunt. I'm a bow hunter, do or die. I don't hunt to live, I live to hunt. I'm a bow hunter, do or die. You know guys like Fred Bear, Howard Hill, Saxton Pope, Art Young, the Thompson Brothers, Glenn St. Charles, Fred Asbell, Gene and Barry Wenzel.
Right after I saw the Luminok disappear, I heard her crashing over there, so nice big mature doe. Put a really good hit on her. I'm gonna go get my sons Garrett and Ben and go get her. Alright.
we're standing right where the doe was standing, and actually the arrow's laying here on the ground. The broadhead into the arrow. I saw the Luminac going through the woods. I think she's hit real good, so we'll just get on the trail now and see if we can't find her. You want to take up the lead gear?
Yeah.
It's got blood all over it. It's a really good hit. Got the blood, Garrett? Really, really good blood.
Down through here.
Go ahead, Garrett. Go ahead and follow it. See where she lands. See that? Look at the blood. You found her. Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, nice big doe. There it is.
There's the Luminac.
Yeah, I heard her go right. I see the Luminac right there.
Yeah.
You hold my bow. She was right down, only about 5 yards off the stand, shooting down at a hard angle.
Dude, dripping.
The arrow went all the way through her front leg here, right out her front leg, and yeah, I can't hit him any more perfect than that.
I haven't felt a deer in a while.
So you haven't felt a deer in a while?
Yeah.
Got that drag strap ready?
She has no soft skin.
Yeah. Put your head up.
She got some of her summer
Oh yeah.
still on it.
Look at this. She's still got some of that buck forage oat still in her mouth. Look at that. She was eating when I shot her. Still right in her mouth. Had a good shot on her. She's right down here. Almost fell into a little brook, so after I gut her, I'll be able to clean her up. Nice mature Connecticut doe. It's October 9th, 2018. I'm getting on an airplane first thing in the morning, going down my ranch in Florida, hunt hogs and Seminole whitetails. So looking forward to that. I got to get her home and get her skinned and quartered and in the fridge. When I get back, we'll get her processed. Nice mature doe.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for helping me, buddy. Lisa, you found her. You weren't that excited when you found her. Are you a veteran already?
I saw her like a while up front.
Really?
And I just decided to just keep on following the blood trail.
Keep following the blood. All right. Well, maybe we'll take a picture and then gotta get her gutted out. Use my new Black Widow bow here. Tiger Myrtle with a Zercote riser and the traditional only arrows, of course, with that Woodsman broadhead that I sharpened with a file. And I'll tell you, I've taken animals all over the world with that broadhead, and I love it. Nice mature doe.